Excellencies here are here celebrating excellent relationship and koinonia.
The family of Chief Raymond Dokpesi, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, a tribute to Chief Raymond Dokpesi. Chief Dokpesi was a patriot, a dogged fighter in politics, and an astute businessman. I met Chief Raymond Dokpesi in the early to mid-90s during my tour of duty as the military administrator of Lagos State. Meeting him showed clearly that he was a good man with the heart of gold. We met and became brothers forever. Chief Raymond was a wonderful person who would go the extra mile to stand with a friend. In my years in government in Lagos and Osun states, he put everything he had into helping me to succeed. There was a weekly 1-hour program on AIT produced by my office in Osun State to showcase our achievements. Chief Dokpesi gave me that weekly slot free of charge for many years. Those who are familiar with the cost of television airtime can easily do the calculation. And I dare say it runs into millions of naira. Again, when I left office in 2010, and my successor decided to probe my administration, and I was summoned before a probe panel. Chief Dokpesi sent a full crew of AIT to cover my appearance live. That proactive move greatly helped me to tell my story very raw to the whole world and establish my innocence. Chief Dokpesi did not collect a kobo for that live television coverage of my testimony, which ran into hours. I remain eternally grateful to him. Perhaps I should also tell the story of the presence of a station of the AIT Ray Power FM in Osogbo. This chief, who has now gone to meet his maker, called me one day and told me that he was establishing new stations outside Lagos and Abuja, and I decided to side the one for the Southwest in Osogbo because of me. He asked for a piece of land for the station. Our government approved it for him at a site not far from the state secretariat. He made sure that the station was ready before I left government in 2010. While we mourn the departure of this great Nigeria, we pray that God should grant his soul eternal rest and give the family, friends, and associates he left behind the fortitude to bear this huge loss. Adieu, my chairman. Thanks so much.